In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone screen warmer. So let's just dive straight into the video, guys. So to make your kind of iPhone screen more warm, this is very easily done by going into the Settings app. Now, once we're in here, we want to go to Display and Brightness. And then we want to go to Night Shift. Now from here, we just want to slide to the left or right to make the screen more cooler or warmer, or in this case, we want to make the screen warmer. So as you can see, the more I slide to the right, the more warm the screen will go. But one thing we actually have to do is go and schedule this. In many cases, people have this turned on from a particular time, say from like nighttime to sunrise, as it's much better on your eyes. So you can set the time here for when you want it to turn on and off, or you can have it on 24/7 by kind of setting the on and off time to like 3 to 4 a.m. When you're asleep, not on your phone, or maybe you can do it another time as you might be on your phone during those hours. So that's one really good way to make your iPhone screen warmer. And I'm going to show you another way as well to make your iPhone screen feel even more warm as well. So you can do this by going into accessibility and then go to display and text size. And then right down the bottom, we want to go to color filters. Now in here, we want to go turn this on, and then we want to go to color tint. So right here on this bottom slider, we have the ability to kind of slide this along until we find like a particular color. So this is more of like a magenta, this is more of like a green tinge. But if I slide over here, this is kind of getting into like the orange-yellow territory, which actually makes the phone even more warmer as well, on top of the night shift mode as well. And then you can also play around with these particular filters as well. And then you can also change the intensity of this as well. So if I want this to be super, super warm, then I can pick my particular color here, like so, like this, like kind of like yellow-orange. And then I can bring the intensity way up. So as you can see, this is like almost Oompa Loompa orange. It's like just ridiculous. But again, if you want your phone to like look super, super warm, which is much better for your eyes, then this is, you have that capability to do so. So there you have it, guys. That's a very quick and easy way on how you can change the warmth on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.